job life. After graduation, which is better, business or job? और इस पे डिबेट सही रहेगा मैम.
ठीक है. And try to speak English in the class. So
yes,
have you discussed with people around you, with your classmates?
No, ma'am, because of the third puja, I cannot. I do not share with this debate with any others, ma'am.
Sure. Okay, let us start now. Since you have initiated, you be the facilitator. You start.
According to good morning, ma'am. I am Pratyay Prakash Singh, and today's my topic and the debate is which life is better, business life or the job life. So according to me, ma'am, according to me, business life is a better life because my father is also a businessman. I assume that he live like their own. He spent their own time with their time, because in business they are not bonded with anyone. In business they are not. They do anything about they think, but in job, if they went to anywhere, they firstly give the application to the manager and their seniors, top level management, and after that they went here and there. And in holiday, just like as a Chhath Puja, if in a job the people give application to the manager, sir, please give me the more more than 2 days holiday, and then after the manager gives him the holiday. But in business, the businessman sort of down their business and go to here and there. That is the advantage of a business. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Pratyay, first of all, when you are concluding your statement, you have to prepare your audience that you are concluding. And finally, I would like to say that. In the end, I would like to say that. To conclude, I would like to say that. In a nutshell, I would like to say that. Okay. Always prepare your audience that you are going to end your speech. And I told you so many times that you avoid using that's it, that's all. It means you have prepared only this much. So you're putting a stop to everything. That's it. So never use that's it, that's all. And always start on a very bright note, end on a very bright note. The way you start is very important. The way you finish is equally important. And come in a sequence. It should be coherent, first of all. Secondly, जितने points आपके पास हैं, अगर आपके पास 10 points हैं, या whatever, then my first point is that, because debates में क्या होता है, you highlight your points, कितने points आप put forth कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? So it should not be like generalized statement. First of all, my first point is. Secondly, I would like to say that. Furthermore, I would like to say that. Prove your point in a coherent way. Sequence, first, second, third, fourth. The last point pe aayenge. And finally, I would like to say that. Do you understand? Start like this. First of all, you introduce the topic and include all the 5 W's and 1 H. How business how business is more important. How? You have to include Pratyay, all the WH. Debates call for a lot of preparation. Then you can win prizes for debates, not a generalized statement. The way you all are speaking, like students who are just beginning to speak English.
Yes, ma'am.
At the basic level. Graduate from the basic level to the professional level. Make your content rich. Had you been in the first semester, had you been a new joinee at a new Simijan, I would have said, yes, very good, fine. But then, do not speak like beginners, do not speak like freshers. Upgrade yourself. upgrade your knowledge. So if Friday activity, if you have taken up the responsibility of Friday activity, it calls for some preparation. So first of all, when you are deciding on any topic, the class should know what you're deciding on. Like today is Friday. Today you have to decide what the next Friday, what will it be? Which topic will it be? Today it has to be decided. Today it has to be decided. So that people who are in the class, they will write down the topic and they will come prepared next week. Then they will have no excuse. I did not know. I did not, because you have a complete 5 days to prepare. And when after the preparation, when you come to the class all prepared, that will have a different status. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, but there is a huge problem that how can we say all the student that on Friday this is the topic, because ma'am there is a problem is that the boys group is the different and the boys group is different, girls group is different. So ma'am, one thing is that in your Wednesday class we can describe this, that our topic on Friday is that if you permit,
they are beginners in the class. Though some of the students who have not spoken at all, and they are very quiet for the lack of confidence. So they need at least a week's time to prepare. I do not want any hurried, haphazard way. Something is better than nothing. I don't want that. I want a proper debate. And that calls for preparation. So you guys are not MBA students that I'll give you a topic and you start speaking as it happens in your classes. But then,
yes, ma'am,
you're all beginners and you all need to improve. That is why I said a week's time is enough. You can initiate today. Okay, this is going to be the topic for, let the same topic be for next Friday. It's fine with me. And I had given you a topic, Indian civilization and culture. How do we differ? How are we different? So I would like to come back to my own topic. Have you all come prepared? See, this was given before the vacation.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to give yourself time for English. If you want to improve, if you want to be among the first liners, everybody needs to improve. The whole purpose of English classes will crash if you guys are not speaking at all. What is going to happen in your interviews? GDs are going to be there. Again, people have switched back to with the cameras switched off. Now, this is a very difficult class. So, your topic we'll discuss today. Let us see who can talk about, business class is better or service class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, next. The next speaker is introduce the topic and include all the WH. 5 W's and 1 H. आप करके देखो कितना अच्छा लगता है ये बोलने में भी और सुनने में भी सब कुछ क्लियर रहता है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, सेकंड पॉइंट, थर्ड पॉइंट. All right. Next.
Yes, ma'am. I think business life is better than a job life because in business life we have a happier, healthier life than the.
Start the presentation on a very formal note.
Yes, ma'am.
First, greet the class. Let it be formal. Let it be. Why don't you assume people are there, everybody is there, you're on stage. It should be like that. Practice. This is a practice session, no? For any kind of debate, any event. First, thank the person who has given you the topic, floated the topic, initiated the topic. Throw some light on what Pratyay said. Either you agree or you disagree. ये सब debates में होता है. तो किसी को agree करते हो, disagree करते हो, क्यों करते हो disagree? So first of all, the topic already is introduced. Now from the story, you have to take up the story from then onwards. Yes, start.
Thank you, Pratyay, for initiating such a great topic, that which life is better, business life or a job life. And as you said that business life is better than a job life, you have included many top points in this. So I would like to include further points in that. I think businessmen have a happier and healthy life than a job or a self-employed people. In business, if we have a small business also, we are the owner of our own business. We can have learning opportunities. We have financial rewards. Even you have a small business, we have a certain lifestyle advantages. In business, there is no limit on how much and how fast you can earn as a business owner. But when we talk about a job, we will have to wait for a certain time period that if our month will end, that we will get a salary, and that salary amount is fixed. But if in our business we progress or we initiate some new techniques or new methods, or we have any learning opportunities, then our income can increase. It depends upon us that how much risk we take, how much we devote to our business. We can increase our profit, and that gives us many learning opportunities also. But in job, I think there is a limitation in our creativity. We cannot have a personal satisfaction that what we want to do, we can introduce. In job, it is not that. But in business, we can introduce whatever we want to create in our business. Hence, I would like to say business is better than job.
Yes, Anisha, very good.
Thank you.
Next, can anybody speak against the motion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning,
camera. Mahi, 1 minute. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
I totally agree with both the points, and also I'd like to add one more point. And in we see the disadvantages of the business. These are the many disadvantages. Like we can not the own business in our own life, and we need also in investors, and we can see the disadvantages in job life. This is the high risk also, sir, ma'am, and high stress, ma'am, and these are the many conflicts in this job profession as a comparison of the business life. And we need we see also in business life, these are the many flexibilities in our day-to-day life. We can survive and we can face to this. And we see the disadvantage part. These are the life we can freedom to make their own decisions. So that's all, ma'am, for my side.
Yeah, Mahi, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. At first, the difference between a business and a job. Actually, the business, the entrepreneur is his own boss, whereas during the job, people can work under the boss. So here is the main difference between the job and the business. And And the point, I just want to go against the motion. I think I prefer job is better than the business, because we know that, but running a business is a far better than being in a job. In job, no matter what kind of work you do, you are always getting in one direction, and you get promoted or rehired, or you can leave a job. And a business owner can spend more time in learning new things, new technology. But the thing is that when you kicked out from a job, you can find a new job, and you can, but if you can lose a business overnight, you can start a new business, but this is the biggest nightmare for any business person. So just I prefer that job is better than business. And yes, I think this is the point.
Yes, next. Yeah, start.
Job life is better than business.
First of all, introduce yourself, no?
Yes.
Abhinav.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Abhinav Pandey. I want to tell about the job life and business life. Job life is better than business life because job comes with little to no financial risk, whereas business involves a much greater risk. In times of financial crisis in business, one can also end up losing with their personal assets, and whereas one of the job can always enjoy the satisfaction of going home and live on its savings of time being. That's all.
Again, you are using that's all. Finally, I want to say that this is what happens when you are given to speak for the debate does not mean speaking for a minute. This is what happens when you're not prepared. But when you come prepared, you will have at least 10 points.
Yes.
Then it will be a proper debate.
And when we introduce ourselves, we also notice most mentioned in debate one.
Yes, yes.
In every, whenever we speak.
Yes, because look, this is a practice session, no? And it should always be formal.
But in like a professional level, we can't do that.
Why can't we do that?
Means we sit in a particular platform and do debate. When I speak our point, we have to introduce our my main topic. Every point is whenever.
Not actually. The topic is already floated. So this I'm going to speak for the motion. So, but a line you have to say that today we are debating on dash versus dash. I would like to speak against the motion. Yes, that is mandatory. Yeah. And then you can speak for, you can speak against. Right. First of all, look what happens in a debate. People can speak for and against the motion. First of all, we discuss, everybody will come and make their speech. And then it will be the rebuttal round. Rebuttal means you can note down some point of the against and you can ask questions. The person will have to write, will speak to you, satisfy you. And then comes, you cannot fight, but rebuttaling is very interesting. That is debating. Supposing you said, Patay said that whatever points he said, you did not agree. So you can point back, you can pin him on these points. And then you can, he will have to answer you. If he cannot answer you, he will lose a point. So when you're asking something and the against party is not able to answer, they will lose 1 point and you will gain 1 point. That is how you win, because if you cannot satisfy the person, and if you can satisfy the person will get 1 point. It is very technical. Debates are very technical. Rebuttaling is very important.
Question is, we firstly means जो वाले बोलते हैं against उसी में बोलना है मतलब हम लोग fluctuate कर सकते हैं.
You cannot fluctuate. Though you will not have to highlight, because if you are speaking for the motion, the person is Pratyay is for the motion and you are against the motion. You cannot say anything for the motion, because then you will be adding point. You are agreeing to the person. So there is no debate. If you are agreeing to what I am saying, where is the debate then? तो debate का मुद्दा ही नहीं है ना. हाँ, तो वो गड़बड़ हो जाता है. ओके, अगर जैसे ही आप बोलते कि हाँ you are right, बस उसी बात को लोग पकड़ लेते हैं. See, I told you you're right. So rebuttaling is very interesting, and debates are so interesting. I would like all of you to do some research work on what is debate and how it is done. What is rebuttaling? For self-work, do this. Make a debate that makes a debate very interesting. In Communication Fest, this was the youth parliament was really so interesting, and the best part of Communication Fest is the youth parliament. Know the technical know-how, how it is done. There can be 4 people, let it be a group debate. 4 persons for the motion, 4 persons against the motion. 1 person for the motion, against. Second person, for, against. Third, for, against. Fourth, for, against. And then when everybody is finished, both the parties all done, then the rebuttaling will start. And they all are very busy writing down points. The moment it is done, what happens, people are so much eager to speak. They grab each other's mics. So we have to, okay, stop it now. So to win. So this is something very interesting. Everybody get to know what actually is the debate. Do some research, do some reading. What is rebuttaling? I told you this can only happen, people, if you are in the class.
But ma'am, in debate, ma'am, the debaters are also agree with the other party, and in this time they also said that yeah, just like as Pratyay said something, then the other people can say that yeah, Pratyay, I agree with you and I want to add something in it. It is possible or not, ma'am, in a debate?
Then if they are agreeing, तो debate किस बात का है? जो तुम्हारी बात को कोई सहमत है वो, तो यहाँ debate ही नहीं है ना. अगर आप एक पॉइंट ले लेते हैं, तो आप उसके पार्टी में चले गए ना फिर.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are also favoring him. So where's the debate then? So if you are against, you have to be totally against. यानी कि हम इधर भी हैं, हम उधर भी हैं, तो आप debate में हैं नहीं. हाँ, for and against आप बोल सकते हैं GD classes, group discussion. इसमें हर तरह से communication होता है. For, against, this, that, anything which comes in your mind you speak. Right? In GD it is possible, for or against. But in debates, if you have chosen to speak, like Mahi spoke against the motion, she cannot include any point. Yeah, I agree with this, that this happens, but even Mahi agreed to some of the points Anisha said. When you agree, what happens? Then it is not a debate. Then it is a GD. So first you choose Pratyay, whether it's going to be a GD or it's going to be a debate. Right? That is why I told you it calls for beginners, it calls for preparation. Please read the outlines of the technical know-how of debates, how it is done, the rules and regulations. What is rebuttaling? Do this and come up with some, either you can come up with what I would suggest in a class, in Friday Activity Communication Club, you can take debate or you can take GD. You can take 2 events. Do not cram with so many events. Let it be any activity like jam session or lost in translation, or role play and debate. any activity plus GD. Because GDs and debates call for group presentation. तो एक एक्टिविटी कर लीजिए और एक आप जीडी करिए या डिबेट करिए. ये नहीं करेंगे तो हम लोग we are not doing justice to ourselves. Because everybody, आज भी देखो ना, very few people spoke. And I want, that is a Pratyay, give them some time to prepare. Right? Whatever,
yes,
okay. Anybody else can suggest a topic? Yes, Sagar, why don't you suggest a topic for next Friday for debate or GD?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think I will give it to everybody to come up with their topic. Pratyay, you can come up with some activity.
Ma'am, this topic is the best topic for the next Friday, ma'am, because no one is say a good thing, good point in a business life or in a job life, included me, ma'am.
Okay. Then let it be the topic for next Friday. And everybody, please look up what is rebuttal, what is debate, and I'm going to see what you have come up with. And with each presentation, of course, your marks will be added. Do you understand? And make this mind come perfect to the class. Like, keep your cameras on, be seen, be heard. Face to face means you can see me and I can see you. Otherwise, I don't even know how many people are there, actually there. So there are 38 students in the class. But I don't know, I just see just a handful of you. This should not be the next class, right? Okay, that's it for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.